Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you ready, children?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay. Varsini Sri, what is this?
This is a baby.
Very good. Deepika, what are these?
These are babies.
Very good. Agalya, what is this?
This is a cherry.
Very good. Esther's name, what are these?
These are cherries.
Very good. Kavinesh, what is this?
This is a mobile phone.
Very good. Samika, what are these?
These are mobile phones.
Very good. Puvita, what is this?
This is a sofa.
Sofa. Very good. Rohit, what are these?
These are sofas.
Very good. Avantika, what is this?
This is a brush.
Very good. Sumaya, what are these?
These are brushes.
Very good. Harini, what is this?
This is a robot.
Harini, what are these?
These are robots.
Varshini, what are these?
These are robots.
Very good. Anusri, what is this?
This is a boy.
Very good. What are these?
These are boys.
What's your name?
Yogidasri.
Yogidasri, what are these?
These are boys.
Very good. Sangili, what is this? This is a
This is a cup.
Rivin, what are these?
These are cups.
Sanjay, what is this?
This is a battery.
Very good. Lingesh Kumar, what are these?
These are batteries.
Very good. Action.
This
What is this?
This is a key.
This is a
Key.
Kani, what are these?
These are keys.
Lingemutte, what is this?
Torch.
This is a
Torch.
very good. Kartikeyan,
These
what are these?
These are torches.
Very good.